Tetherball sets are seeing renewed demand as families, schools, and backyard gamers look for simple, active fun that's easy to set up. Surprisingly, they also appeal to typists and gamers as a perfect physical break between long screen sessions, helping reset focus and energy. This guide evaluates switch type, setup and height adjustment, build quality, pole and base layout, portability. Product number 1. Tetherball ball. A quality tetherball ball is the heart of any tetherball setup, and this standalone option is ideal as a replacement or upgrade. Designed to meet standard tetherball size and weight expectations, it typically features a durable rubber or composite exterior that balances softness with rebound. The switch factor here is the attachment system. Most tetherball balls include a reinforced metal eyelet or heavy-duty rope connection that allows quick replacement without tools. Build quality focuses on impact resistance. Compared to cheap playground balls, a proper tetherball ball is designed to withstand repeated high-speed wraps around poles without tearing or losing shape. The textured surface provides reliable grip, reducing hand slip during aggressive play, while still being gentle enough for younger users. In terms of layout, this ball works universally with most tetherball poles, schoolyard, backyard, or portable bases, making it a flexible choice. It's especially valuable if your existing set has a worn or cracked ball, but the pole remains solid. Value-wise, a standalone tetherball ball is extremely cost-effective. Instead of replacing an entire set, this upgrade refreshes gameplay instantly. It's best suited for families, schools, or community centers that already have poles installed and simply need a reliable, durable ball to keep the game going. Product number 2. Sterling Sunnywood Sports Heavy-Duty Tetherball Set. The Sterling Sunnywood Sports Heavy-Duty Tetherball Set is built with durability and traditional playground performance in mind. Its defining switch feature is the adjustable height pole, allowing quick changes to suit kids, teens, or adults. This makes it versatile for families and schools alike. Build quality is where this set shines. The steel pole construction is thick and rigid, often finished with weather-resistant coating to prevent rust. The tetherball itself is typically heavy-duty rubber, designed for competitive play and long-term outdoor exposure. Once installed, usually by cementing into the ground, this set feels rock-solid and stable even during intense matches. Layout-wise, this is a permanent or semi-permanent installation, making it ideal for backyards, schoolyards, or parks. The fixed pole layout ensures consistent play, proper rope tension, and authentic tetherball action, similar to what you'd find on a school playground. Product number 3. Tetherball Tennis. Tetherball Tennis adds a creative twist to the classic game, blending tetherball mechanics with tennis-style paddles or rackets. The switch element here is gameplay flexibility. Players can switch between hand-based tetherball and paddle-based tennis-style hits, making it ideal for varied skill levels. Build quality typically includes a lighter pole or support system paired with a softer ball designed for controlled rebounds. The paddles are usually molded plastic or lightweight composite, making them safe for kids while still fun for adults. While not as rugged as traditional steel pole sets, it's designed for recreational backyard use rather than competitive schoolyard play. Layout and setup are simple, often requiring minimal tools. Many tetherball tennis sets are semi-portable, allowing quick relocation in the yard or driveway. This makes them great for families who want flexibility rather than permanent installation. Product number 4. Portable Tetherball Set. A portable tetherball set is designed for convenience and flexibility. The switch advantage is its quick setup and breakdown. Most models use a telescoping pole and a fillable base that can be weighted with sand or water. This allows easy height adjustment and fast storage when not in use. Build quality varies by model, but most feature lightweight metal or reinforced plastic poles paired with durable rubber balls. While they won't match in-ground steel poles for stability, a properly weighted base provides surprisingly solid performance for casual and intermediate play. The layout is ideal for users with limited space. You can set it up in a backyard, driveway, or even indoors in a gym or large room. This flexibility makes it appealing for renters, families, or event use.
Product number 5. Gadfish Portable Tetherball Set with Ball. The Gadfish Portable Tetherball Set with Ball focuses on user-friendly design and family versatility. Its key switch feature is the adjustable telescoping pole, which allows fast height changes to accommodate children and adults. Combined with a quick attach rope system, setup is straightforward even for first-time users. Build quality emphasizes a balance between durability and portability. The pole is typically powder-coated metal, while the base is designed to be filled with water or sand for stability. The included tetherball is well-sized and durable enough for regular backyard play, making this a true all-in-one solution. Layout flexibility is one of its strengths. Because it's fully portable, you can move it around your yard or store it easily during off-seasons. This makes it ideal for families who want a clean lawn or multi-use outdoor space.